Welcome back. ESG Vice Chairperson Damu Naik has accepted that holding the Goan Film Festival was an error, but he has slammed the MLAs demanding postponement of the festival, stating that the opposition was created to derive political mileage. He has refuted all scam charges in IFFI 2014, saying government is yet to pay the bills of IFFI and no bill will be cleared without approval from the audit committee of the ESG.
लक्षात घे ताका पेमेंट करून ही कॅन रेज बिल ऑफ 1 crore कित्याक 5 कोटीची बिल करू शकता तो करू मरे ताका 5 कोटीची बिल 10 कोटीची करू
तू म्हणटा ESG कितले पे करते पळयात
ना ताणे 5 न्ही 10 कोटीचे बिल केले जाल्यार सुद्दां थंय इव्हॅल्युएशन कमिटी बसल्या ताजे नंतर TAC आसा ताका टेक्निकल ऑडिटिंग कमिटी आणि हे सगळे आपल्याला जेन्ना रिपोर्ट दितले त्या वेळाचेरच ताका फायनान्स
तुम्ही म्हणता की ज्या मोमेंटा ESG हे गजाली पेमेंट करतली तेन्ना प्रश्न उपस्थित करा म्हणून
डेफिनेटली
You believe that it was a mistake to keep film festival during this period? Maybe an unintentional error. Maybe unintentional error, but it was an error.
It was an error. I agree. It was an error.
What are you saying? There was a deliberate politics played on this
Yes,
issue.
101%. 101%. जर तू जर जबाबदार जर आमदार असा तू जर इतलो जर प्रत्येक गोष्ट जर बारकायेन जर वाचता जाल्यार पहिली गजाल जर आशिल्ली जाल्यार ती तुम्ही कोणाची तरी नदरेन हाडपाक दिवपाक आशिल्ली. हांवें एक प्रश्न विचारलो मुख्यमंत्र्या हुजीर जर मडगांवां दुसरो शिगमो करपाक जाय जाल्यार 10 दिसां पयलीं रिटर्न एप्लिकेशन दिवन जर तुम्ही दुसरो शिगमो करूंक शकता जाल्यार 10 दिसां पयलीं मुख्यमंत्री जो चेअरमॅन आसा ESGचो ताका एक पत्र दिवंक कित्याक शकना की हें पोस्टपोन कर म्हणून.
Police force had to be used for removing goalpost at Nasai Panchayat ground on Monday. Locals were using Panchayat land as football ground. A complainant from Sonu Nagar had asked such activities to be stopped on the vacant land. Deputy Director of Panchayats from South Goa had ordered removal of the goalpost 4 years back. Police arrested 14 people when they protested against the removal of goalpost. One of them has been hospitalized.
Nasai locals protested against police officials when they reached Panchayat ground to remove goalposts. Even ladies stood rock steady between the policemen and goalposts.
गव्हर्नमेंटाचें काम करपाक आयल्या आमकां प्लीज कोऑपरेट करा. समज जायना आमकां फोर्स यूज करपा पडटलो. आमकां तुमचे अगेन्स्ट करपा ना. आमची तुमची पर्सनल कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट ना तुमची एनिमिटी ना काय ना. आमकां इनोसंट लोकांक त्रासांक घालपाचें ना. सो तुमी आमकां कोऑपरेट करा. तुमच्यान कितें आहा तें नेक्स्ट एक्शन तुमच्यान घेवपाक जाता.
When locals were not in the mood to listen and were creating havoc, police waited for 10 minutes and later started arresting them one by one. Police later imposed Section 151 and got the goalposts bulldozed. Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald has condemned this act.
आणि त्या ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे आम्ही आयज हांगा ती ऑर्डर एक्झिक्यूट केल्ली आसा. स्थानिक लोकांनी अपोज केलो आणि आम्ही तांकां बरे भशेन सांगलें की तुमी डिस्पर्स जायात आणि तांकां टायम दिलो 5 मिनटाचो. तरी पूण आमी 10 मिनटां रावले आणि तरी पूण लोक ते डिस्पर्स जाले ना. त्या खातीर आमी काही लोकांक ऑर्डर एक्झिक्यूट करपाक पोलिसांनी कस्टडीन घेतलो.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Seems like Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar needs some more time to induct 12th Minister in his cabinet. He says there is no compulsion to have 12 ministers. He clarifies that 12 ministers is a maximum limit and cabinet can function with 11. CM has opted to keep both the portfolios of Miki Pacheco with him as of now. The number of cabinet is reduced to 11 after Miki Pacheco resigned as minister following his conviction in engineer assault case.
12 पेक्षा जास्त असूंक जायना म्हणजे 12 जावंक जाय अशें ना. कायदो कितें सांगता 12 पेक्षा आमच्या गोंय सारक्या हेका 12 पेक्षा जास्त आसचें न्हय. त्यामुळे 11 दवरपाचेर ऑब्जेक्शन ना, 10 दवरपाचेर ऑब्जेक्शन ना, 5 दवरपाचेर ऑब्जेक्शन ना. 13 दवरले जर जाल्यार थंय कायदो येतलो अशें हांवें खंय म्हटलां. आज 11 आसात. 2 खातीराची आसलेली म्हजे कडेन आयल्यान म्हजो भार वाडला.
जागा भरपाक की
करतले विचार करतले.
एटलीस्ट टाइम फ्रेम की एका म्हयन्यान जातलो.
हे पळय एक म्हणजे परत हांव सांगता गोंय सारक्या राज्याची कॅटेगरी हे जास्तीत जास्त 12 पर्यंत करूंक मेळटात. त्यामुळे 11 असले जाल्यार कोण आमकां विचारूं शकना 12 तुजो खंय 12 तुजो खंय. कारण 12 परस कमी असूंक जाय, 12 किंवा 12 पेक्षा कमी, जास्त असूंक जायना.
The High Court has given 2 days' time to Goa government to file its reply on Miki Pacheco's arrest warrant matter. Petitioner filed plea before the High Court seeking a warrant of arrest against former RDA Minister Miki Pacheco. Petitioner has contended that High Court should issue arrest warrant as Miki has not surrendered even after dismissal of his petition. During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, petitioner in person advocate Iris Rodriguez contended that Goa government is not acting against convicted Miki Pacheco as he is in alliance with ruling party. The High Court directed government advocate to file its reply by Wednesday.
The petition filed by me seeking that the court issue a warrant of arrest against convicted former Minister of Goa Miki Pacheco came up for hearing today. The public prosecutor has sought time, so the court was pleased to adjourn the matter to 8th of April, that is on Wednesday.
During the hearing, High Court observed that a warrant of arrest against Miki Pacheco should be issued by the JMFC court, being a trial court.
The warrant of arrest usually has to be issued by the judicial magistrate first class. So the court has High Court is in its powers because all the records of this case are with the High Court. There are no records with the lower court of all the orders passed by the High Court and now the Supreme Court. So the High Court will pass appropriate orders directing the registry to place all the orders before the magistrate in Maragaon.
The Apex Court on 30th March had dismissed Miki's petition challenging High Court's conviction in junior engineer Kapil Natikar assault case. Miki has filed a review petition before the Apex Court, which is yet to be heard. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.